Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Debayan Day, class 5, Salt Lake School. Today I am going to discuss about word problems on HCF and LCM. Generally, we students find difficulty regarding application of HCF and LCM. That is, we are confusing in which sum we will do HCF or LCM. This confusion can be eliminated by keeping a couple of points in mind. Let's start. So, there are 2 points, 2 types. One is when to apply HCF. So, let's start. Whenever the question talks about the greatest, largest or maximum, then in most of the cases it will be a question of HCF. Secondly, whenever the question is related to classification or distribution into groups, then in all the cases it is HCF only. So, this is very important for our Maths Olympiad. So, I have given one example. Also, the example is find the greatest number which is a factor of 250 and 700. So, here we are going to do HCF because here the question is asking greatest number. So, let's start. So we will write 2 and this will be 500. This is HCF by division method. So, the answer will be the greatest number which is a factor of 250 and 700 is 50. So now type 2 is when to apply LCM. When the question talks about smallest, least or maximum, then in most of the cases it will be a question of LCM. Secondly, whenever the word together or simultaneous is used in the question, then in all the cases it is LCM only. This is very important for Maths Olympiad. So I have given 2 examples. So the first example is in a garden the trees can be planted in a group of 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the least number of trees this garden can have? So here we are going to do LCM because the question is asking least number. So here 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is LCM by division method. So So LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5, which is 60. So the answer will be the least number of trees this garden can have are 60 trees. So now let's move on to example 2. What is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 15, 24 and 42? So here again we are going to do LCM because here is written in smallest number. I am again using in common division method. So the LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 7, which is 840. So now the answer will be in the smallest number which exactly divides divides 15, 24 and 42 is 840. So I think you understand very nicely. So if you like this, then subscribe my channel and thank you.